to all. My name is Rudraesh Kumar Singh, and today I'm going to share the desktop yoga and pranayam sequence which we can practice being at workplace or even if we are working on PC or while studies. So this is going to be very helpful practice. And even recently, the government of India has launched a yoga break app, and it is advised for people working at different offices and organizations that if we take a 5-7 minute break and rejuvenate ourselves, that can help a lot. So yoga break app. So I'll be demonstrating maximum possible techniques which while sitting on our chair we can practice different loosening technique. You might get some stiffness in the neck region or spine or different joints. So how to keep ourselves more flexible and keep all the organs more active so that your brain remains more active and functional. Let's do that. So starting with head massage. Just massage your head gently. And then tap on your head from all the direction. And then massage your forehead. Massage your eyebrows. Eyes. Nose. Cheeks. And then pull your ears from all the direction. So anytime if you're feeling laziness and lethargy, pulling your ears from all the direction until it becomes more soft can be very helpful for you to make your brain more alert. Also, it improves your memorizing ability. And then we'll begin with neck rotation. First, keep your neck 90-degree up, then 5 long deep breathing in and out. And then chin to the chest, and then continue long deep breathing in and out. Center, and then extreme right. Extreme left. Come to the center, and then 3 times clockwise rotation of neck and 3 times anti-clockwise rotation of neck. And then next, so this way we can keep our neck region, entire brain we can rejuvenate. Next, any technique in the yoga which has been taken from different species and animals around. For example, tiger has brilliant strength in their arms. So how to keep your fingers and arms more strong? There is a way. So while working on PC, you need strength. Sometimes you get your fingers get tired, or while writing. So how to keep your fingers more strong? This is the way. You have to keep your full body stiff from head to toe. Make your body absolute 100% stiff, and like fingers absolute tight with long deep breathing in. You have to pull your arms front and back like you're pulling some 100 kg weights towards yourself. And then relax. Then keep your arms sideways, fingers wide open, and then you can just rotate your fingers wide open and you can rotate your palms. Next, again make your fist, arms touching to your side, and then again keeping your body 100% stiff. Again you are lifting the weight like you are lifting some 100 kg weights. So keeping body 100% stiff, and then lift your arms up. So this way you can develop this strength. Next technique is you have to observe it very gentle, carefully. Next technique to release the stiffness from the shoulder region. What you have to do? Breathe in for a long time, hold the breath, and then pump your shoulders 40-50 times. Then breathe out. So this way you can release the stiffness from the shoulders region, and interlock your fingers, stretch your spine upward, and then bend your body towards your right side. Towards your left side. Then twist your body towards your left side, keeping your spine straight. Switch towards right side. And then gently bend backward. And then shake your hands fastest way possible. And then just sit and relax. Let your breath pattern be normal. So this gentle technique, we can make our body more flexible. We can release stiffness and strain. Along with that, when body is ready, we can move ahead with practicing certain